Alright, so as you can see, the bumper is back on, but as a result from the hit, it is a little, does have a little bit of bumper sag. So I will be showing you guys how to fix that. It's like, it's not the frame, but it's connected to the frame, and it's meant to give in. That way the frame doesn't get damaged, so it's pretty much like pushback. It's a real easy fix. So, alright, so I got these washers at AutoZone. They're the 1/2 inch. Probably use like 2 or 3 of them to make it fit. Got this license plate cover too. Been rocking the just a plate for a while now, so thought this one might look nice. But yeah, that's probably like $17. So you can fix your sag for $17. Very economical. Alright, I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so this is how it looks before. Got the gap. So what we're gonna do, let's go under here. See these 3 bolts right here? 1, 2, 3. On the top ones, we're gonna put some washers. Those washers that I showed you earlier. Yep, we're gonna try 2, see how that looks. If that doesn't give it enough gap, we'll try a 3. So what it's gonna do is gonna make since the top is pushed back like this, the washers are gonna make it pretty much go back to like a level stance. So yeah, we're gonna try 2 washers and not 3. Only on the top ones. So this one and this one. We're gonna leave this bottom one alone, and we'll see if that fixes it. If not, we'll try 3. All right. Loosen these top ones up. Like that. Alright, we have the washers on. It still looks the same, but I'm gonna try tightening it down, and I think once you tighten it down, it should look a little better, or better than this at least. So we'll try that right now. Okay, you can see the washers are in right now. So go ahead and tighten that down. Only in the top ones, guys, so just set 1 and that one. We left that one alone. 2 washers a piece. So as you tighten this bottom bolt, you can tighten the top ones, it won't really do much until you start tightening this bottom bolt. And as you tighten it, you can actually see the gap decrease. We might need a 3rd washer. Check it out now. Actually, it's not bad. You can see it's not too bad. I'll probably throw a 3rd washer in there. Still gotta do the right side. I didn't tighten the bottom up as much. As you can tell, it's not too bad. Get that bottom bolt and try so I can get the outside. So here's how it looks with 2 bolts or 2 washers. This side is looking good, but I'm not quite satisfied with this side. So So I'm gonna go ahead and add one more washer or two. Let's see how that looks. Had to rip on washers. They ran out of the 1/2 inch, so I got these ones. They're 7/6. I'm gonna try two of these, 2 1/2 inch and 2 of these. Let's see how that goes. Alright, so after many long hours, pretty close. One tip I could say is just push it up with your lathe. If you want it, man, you'll get it there. Might just tighten it just a little bit more, plug in my plugs, call it a night. That's looking a lot better for sure. I'll probably get one more clip in the daytime just so you guys can see. But it's looking almost perfect. Let me know what you guys think. Saw you get rid of your bumper sag. Your nuts might be sagging a little bit after this, but your bumper will be sagging no more. Comment down below to help. Subscribe.
Hi, Kolo.
Say hi, Troca.
Hi, Tuka.